fellow cookers! Welcome to another episode of Cooking Belly. So today, I think alam nyo na kung ano magiging recipe natin with all these ingredients in our table. So yes, finally, we will be cooking my first ever favorite recipe. And I should say, yung mga colleagues ko before, I think na-recognize nila yung cooking skills ko because of this recipe. So, yes, we are cooking the Filipino Style Spaghetti. Yes! So, yes, stay tuned and watch out for the step-by-step instructions on how we will cook this. Alright? So, yeah, watch out! We have here 1/2 kilo cooked spaghetti pasta, and it should be cooked al dente. We have 1 kilogram spaghetti sauce. This is Italian spaghetti sauce, but you can use any Filipino style or the cheese spaghetti sauce. It should be okay. 250 grams tomato paste. 1/2 kilogram ground lean beef. 1/2 kilogram jumbo hot dog. We have cheese. We have garlic. We have onion. Bell pepper. Pickle relish, salt, ground black pepper, sugar. You can also use white sugar, canola oil, or any available cooking oil. 1 cup of water. These are all our ingredients. Okay, so let's start cooking our spaghetti. To start with, we need our oil. Okay, after that, we can already put the beef. Careful to the beef. So, cook the beef. Now we want fire on our beef. High fire. Yeah. Because gusto natin maluto. Talaga siya matanggal yung mga microbe or whatsoever. Sabi nila, pag ground ang meat, you have to make sure na high yung fire mo. So let's just cook it. High fire. Yeah, so kita mo medyo buo-buo pa yung beef natin galing sa freezer, but I made sure that I washed it before I keep it inside the freezer. Okay, so now na nakikita natin na wala nang buo-buong beef, okay na sila, we want to put it on slow fire kasi we want to make sure na it's cooked well, and then we will cook it for another 20 minutes. or you can, yeah, 20 to 30 minutes to make sure na well-cooked yung ground beef. Alright, so as you can see now, okay na yung beef natin. It's well-cooked on slow fire for like 20 minutes. Slow fire lang. And then, we can already add our onion. So, we will saute it from the beef's oil. And then, we can also add now our... No, earlier it was the garlic and now the onion. Sorry. So now slow fire. So yeah, so now we have added the onions. Sorry for the confusion. So we just have to saute them. Alright, so now we can also add our hot dogs. Yeah, so we are adding the hot dogs now kasi ayaw natin yung parang malabsa siya. So we want it over oil din. Naluto din siya sa oil ng konti with the other ingredients. So we'll just saute it together with the other ingredients. Okay, so now while we are sauteing the hot dogs, the beef, the onions and garlics, we also want to add now the bell pepper. So yung bell pepper, it adds flavor. For me, this is one of the main ingredients for my spaghetti. So I want to saute it because I want the flavor of the bell pepper to come out. Ayan, sobrang bango na. And now we will add the tomato sauce. So let's add all the tomato sauce. And yeah, so haluin lang din natin sila. Sobrang bango, grabe. If you are just here, you can smell it. And now we want to add our tomato paste. Yes, all of it. For 1 kilo pasta, we have 250 grams tomato paste. And then we can already add the salt. And then let's also add now the black pepper. And then now we want to add some sugar. So you can estimate the sugar according to taste. If you don't want it na sobrang sweet, you can adjust the taste. If you want it sweeter because madaming kids nakakain, you can add more sugar. And then now, let's add the cheese. Yes, I'm adding the cheese. For those who are asking, kasi yung iba, di ba nilalagay lang siya sa top? So parang ni-sprinkle lang after, pang decorate or something. But in my case, I want the cheese mixed sa sauce. So, pantay-pantay ang lasa niya. It's creamy, cheesy, na pantay-pantay talaga. Mimix lang natin yung cheese hanggang sa mag-melt siya. can use the regular cheddar cheese or you can use quick melt, whatever, it's okay. Since hinahalo natin siya. And then we can add the water. So a cup of water. Because we don't want it super thick, but at the same time, ayaw din natin ng masyadong malabnaw. Alright, cookers. So our spaghetti, cheesy spaghetti, Filipino style spaghetti is so ready to be served. So let's put it in the plate and indulge, dig in. There you go, our spaghetti, Filipino style spaghetti. Hey cookers, welcome back. So now we are done cooking our Pinoy style spaghetti. And yes, I'm so ready to dig in. But before that, yes, thank you so much for watching. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's Belly Villa Cruz. And on Instagram, I am Cooking Belly. Thank you so much. And watch out for the next episodes of Cooking Belly. Bye!